Bricks Builder has four layout elements: section, container, div, and the block. By the way, what is a layout? Layout of a website refers to the arrangement and organization of elements on a web page. It involves the placement of text, images, buttons, videos, and other elements to create a functional web page. So, for example, you probably have heard about the layout of the web page, like the sidebar layout or the hero section layout and the footer section layout, or so many examples are there. We will look into them later. Section element takes the 100% of the available width. When you add a section, the container element gets added automatically. The container element has the width of 1100 pixel, which gets centered because the margin on the left and on the right is set to auto. And then we have this div element. If you look into the HTML documentation, or if you look into the div main scenario, the div in general is a block level element, which means that it should take complete width like section is doing. But in bricks, when you put it inside the section or the container, then it will only take the width according to the inner content or the elements. When you put outside the section or the container and add it as an individual element, then it takes the complete width. And I will tell you later why this happens. Now block takes 100% of the width, which doesn't have the fixed default width like we have the container. So it takes the 100% width wherever you will put it. You will put inside another development, then it will take the 100% width. And if, like for example, let's say if I put it inside the section, then it will take the complete width of the section. So it's like taking the complete width. And why? Because the width is set to the 100%, not the fixed width like we have in container. So the next lecture we will take a look into detail that how these are working in the Bricks Builder.